Hello. Hi, Kuya Mark. Hi, guys. How's everyone? How is everyone today? Hey, Nico. See you tomorrow. Hello. Ate Hi, Ate Kichi. You like my glasses? Thank you. I got it from Vision Express. I got it when I had red hair because I thought it looked good with my red hair, and then no audio. Oh, nar. No audio. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Do you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Yes? Whoa! Whoa! Bakit may fireworks? Baby, you're a fire. Glad you're safe in Manila. Thank you so much. Grabe talaga. Before every trip, we would really pray so hard. And I'm really happy kasi nakauwi kami ng safe. And nakaabot ako sa work today. So thank you so much to everyone who prayed for my safety. Let's continue to pray for our kababayans who need our help. Pero wala lang. So today, I just got home from Camiguin. And I want to come again. I had so much fun. I had a show yesterday for their 45th Lanzones Festival. And I had a great time. The show was really awesome. The crowd was really fun. They would interact with me, so I really had fun. Today though, our trip going home was a bit tiring. We had like a 4-hour land travel. Nag-Roro kami. But it's okay kasi at least nakauwi ng safe. So today, I am in ABS. We have rehearsals for tomorrow's big night. So I'm sure everyone's excited about that. So I hope everyone's safe right now. May bagyo pang papasok. Diyos ko, Lord. My God. Pray na lang for the Philippines. Thank you sa lahat talaga ng to everyone who's spreading the word about people who need help. Alam nyo, baka iba sa inyo tingin nyo hindi nakakatulong yung pag-share nyo lang ng posts or anything, but malaking tulong din yun. And of course, sa lahat na nagdo-donate, sa mga NGO na nagdo-donate, to the people who are actually helping, thank you po sa inyo talaga. I don't know if the housemates are here. Basta alam ko lang the hosts. Yun kasi ang i-rehearse namin today as host. But wala kang bakas ng pagod. Meron. I-close up mo. Ayan. Ayan. Pag malayo, maganda. Pero pag nilapit mo na, ayan, nakita mo na. Meet my... Hello. Hello. Dalawa silang kasama ko today. Hello. Ito masama ang tingin. Masama tingin niya dito. Pero heart pala yung eyes niya. Dati natatakot ako dito kasi sabi ko, bakit pula yung mata? Tiyanak na tiyanak. Pero hindi, cute. Mama July, baka naman busy. Gusto ko na rin mag-glam team para super busy. Or KD. Andito siya kanina eh. Alam ko ngayon, nasa kabilang studio siya. They're also going live, but I'm not sure. Pero Operation Christine ng ABS-CBN. So, it's a donation drive. Kuya John, oh my God, how are you? How are you? Congrats on everything. Yan, how are you everyone? Wala po ako sa Operation Christine kasi kakagaling ko lang po ng Camiguin kanina, 2 p.m. And I have to go here sa ABS for PBB. So, hindi na kinaya. Aww, saan galing yun? My hearts, thank you. But I would have loved to be part of Operation Christine. Pero di bali, kung may... I'm sure hindi pa naman ito yung huling beses. Calorie deficit ba diet mo? No, hindi. Tinatry ko, pero hindi ako marunong magbilang kasi ng calories. I mean, So, hindi ko na lang ginawa. Just eat whatever I want. Wallpaper reveal, wala. It's just plain. Where po, paano po ba sumali ng PBB? Nico, kung ako lang si Kuya, tanggap ka na. Hi, Ate Ma. You know I love you, boy. And every single way, I love you, boy. Kain pancit canton. Cedric Marie, are you eating pancit canton right now? Without me. Parang maputla na tayo for today's video. Kailangan na mag-retouch. Maputla na ba or hindi pa naman? Ikaw ba si Madam? Hindi po ako si Madam. Where are you at? I'm here sa ABS-CBN waiting. Natawagin na nila ako kasi may work ako. Kain tayo ice cream lanzones. Grabe ate, ang sarap ng ice cream lanzones. Sana meron nun dito. Happy Skin po ba yan? No, it's milk. Milk. Anong paborito yung number sa electric fan? Dahil mainitan ako, yung pinakamalakas, 3 or 4. How are you guys? Are you safe? Later ba ang big night? Hindi po, tomorrow pa. Tomorrow pa po ang big night, live. Nakadress ka po ngayon? Hindi. Naka-ano lang ako. Rehearsal outfit po. Jogging pants. Ano man tawag dito? Hindi ko alam ang tawag sa gantong tela eh. Saw you at Voodoo Caloocan, pretty. Thank you. Ang sarap ng pancit canton sa Voodoo. Voodoo Cafe sa Caloocan. Kamusta naman kayo guys? Are you staying dry? Meron pala akong i-share sa inyo. naalala ko lang. Kasi meron, kung naghahanap kayo ng food na o-orderin ngayon, meron akong isa-suggest sa inyo. So, this is, sana mag-load. Mabagal ang internet ko dito. Meron akong favorite na lasagna. As in, sobrang favorite. Walang katulad. Pinaka-paborito ko sa lahat ng lasagna sa buong mundo. Si Mom's Lasagna. Nag-order ako sa kanya tuwing Christmas or pag may gathering, whatever. Sobrang favorite ko to, Mom's Lasagna. And meron silang promo ngayon, Eat for a Cause. 100% of their proceeds for the day will go to the typhoon victims of Typhoon Christine. So, magsha-share sila sa Animal Kingdom Foundation, which is an animal shelter I support, Angat Buhay Foundation, na sobrang laking tulong sa buong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat. And Stray Love PH. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng food na gusto nyong orderin, ito, nakakain ka na, nakatulong ka pa. So, yun guys. Suggest ko lang sa inyo. Now, I don't know kung Manila lang sila nagde-deliver. Pero ako nag-order din ako for tomorrow. Para ma-share ko rin sa mga glam team ko. Dahil bukas na ang big night. Nakakaloka. Tumutubo na ang kilay. Hindi nga po ako si Madam AI. Porque AI, Alexa Ilacad, yun ba yun? Kaya nyo ba nasabing ako yun? Nag-connect the dots ba kayo? Hindi po ako yun. Promise. Hindi ko naman po siya kaboses. Stop your crying, helpless feeling. Dry your eyes and start believing. Para kang binimi ko. Hala, kikiligin ako. Nakakaya naman sa kanya. Red hair. The most beautiful red-haired girly. Mom's Lasagna. M-U-M. Mom. True siya talaga si Madam AI. Alam niyo po, kung yan ang ikakapanatag ng mga loob ninyo, sige na po. Ibibigay ko sa inyo, fine. Pero hindi talaga ako yun. Anong diet mo? So, wala naman specific kasi pag nasa labas ako, kinakain ko kung anong gusto kong kainin. Pero syempre, in moderation lang, di ba? Like kapag nakakaramdam na ako ng konting busog, okay, stop na. Tapos, umiinom ako ng water. Kasi minsan feeling mo, gutom na gutom ka pa, yun pala. Hindi. Like, you just needed to drink. Shirataki rice helped me a lot. Yung nga itatanong ko, pwede ba magdala ng bigas sa airport? Kasi lagi kong gusto magdala ng bigas, pero natakot ako na i-confiscate siya. Guys, tignan nyo na, paso ako. Because of me. Ito, paso din to dahil sa akin. Ngayon naman, ito. Lagi na lang. Kasalanan ko naman. Grabe, ang aga kong dumating. Where na you guys? Ano ba? Tuloy pa ba tayo? You know I love you, boy. in every single way. So I love you, boy. I don't need your love, no, no. Age reveal, I am 24. If you search Google, I think it says 24 too. Andito po si Robbie sa Camiguin ngayon. I know! Nauna lang ako kahapon, siya naman ngayon. Same kasi kami ng handler ni Kuya Robbie. Hi, Pretty Quick! Hi! Guys, umibili ako sa kanila labubu kay Pretty Quick. Ito nga, ipapakita ko pala sa inyo. Sneak peek, sneak peek. Nag-unboxing kami ni Katie ng mga anik-anik na galing kay Pretty Quick. Paano ba ipakita?
Hi!
Paano ba
Time
ipakita?
to unbox two
Paano?
giant gifts
From Pretty Quick!
Ta-da!
Nag-unbox kami. E-edit ko lang. Tapos ipopost ko. Ang payat mo na, sis. Thank you. Malaking bagay din kasi yung workout na ginagawa ko. Like, sobrang consistent. It's true. Yung kasabihan na consistency is key. It is. Cause like, what do you mean? I got muscle. I'm very proud of my muscles. Cause I work so hard for them. Okay. Diyan lang kayo, ha? Wait lang. Checkin ko lang kung... Okay, I'm back. Chinek ko lang kung hinahanap na nila ako. Hindi. Guys, where are you? Add a moderator to your life. Paano yun? Thank you, Pretty Quick. Thank you, Ate Jazz. Mako-complete ko na sana yung Labubu version 2. Like, lahat ng color meron na ako. Kaso, binigyan ko si KD ng isang Labubu, si... Baba. Yung parang beige color. Kasi wala pa siyang labubu. So sabi ko, you must be cool. You must be Gen Z. So I will give you a labubu. So yan, he has his first labubu from Pretty Quick. Bagay sa kanila yung name na Pretty Quick talaga. Kasi Pretty Quick din nauubos lahat ng anik-anik nila, ng mga toys. Any calisthenics skills unlocked. You know... Honestly, hindi kasi ako yung type na kaya kong magtiis sa pain. So, ayan, may kalyo na ako, guys. Oh. Pero, baby kalyo lang. Kasi nililotion ko din lagi. At saka binabalatan ko. Pero, hindi ko naman kasi goal ang maging sobrang batak or anything. Like, ang goal ko lang talaga is maging consistent. Yun lang. Ang goal ko lang for myself, gusto ko lang maging consistent. So, yun, hindi ko goal na parang i-push yung sarili ko everyday na kailangan ko makapag-pull up. Hindi ka ako nakakapagtiis ng pain masyado. So, kapag masakit na sa kamay, yung pagpupul, nahayaan ko na lang. Like, hindi ko siya tinitiis. Nahayaan ko na lang. Parang, okay, hindi ko naman number one goal lang makapag-pull up. Although, kaya ko mag-negatives. Yun. Hi, Ate Amy! Ate Amy, how are you? Please speak English. Your Nigeria fans are here. Hello, guys! I'm so sorry. I didn't think people from other countries would be watching my live. But hello, I hope you're having a great day. Pati si Hailey meron din. Hindi labubu yung meron si Hailey. I think they're called manchow. But it's a toy din. It's a bag charm din. Na ang laki. Yun ang laki talaga. Parang ganyan. Sobrang cute din naman. How is my anik-anik queen? Ate, today's anik-anik. Dalawa sila. Ang pangalan nito? Kita mo? Bakit nasa isip ko fall in the wind? Hindi. Sorry, mali. And this cutie pie, na medyo natatakot lang ako sa mata niya, pero ang cute ng color niya. Coach Billy, true masipag mag-workout si Alexa. Thank you naman. Talaga, kulang na nga lang tumira na ako sa gym eh. Kung pwede lang nga, yung isang kwarto dun, akin na lang eh. Para di na ako uuwi, dun na lang ako sa Sparta forever and ever. You know I love you, boy. Ganda ng message mo kay Chin sa contract signing niya. Oh, thank you. Alam niyo, sobrang happy ako na I was tapped to do that. Sabi, tinanong ako kung willing daw ako magbigay ng message kasi she sees me as one of her closest friends sa industry. And syempre, na-touch ako. And of course, I said yes. I didn't even have to think about it. Didn't even think twice. Jury, hello. Sample nga ng burpees. Coach, utot mo. Ayoko. Pagod ako, puyat ako. Wag na, i-google mo na lang kung ano itsura ng burpees. Hope your nieces are having a great time in Australia. Susunod ka ba? I wish. Di pa ako nakakapunta ng Australia ever. So hopefully next year, pag pumunta sila, makasama na kami. But yeah, they're having so much fun and I'm so jealous. Una sa lahat, may malaking Sephora na pinuntahan yung ate ko. Tapos tinatanong niya ako kung anong gusto ko. So sobrang daming options. Nagkaroon na ako ng choice fatigue. I couldn't decide what to choose or kung ano ipapabili. But yeah, they're so cute. First time mag-beach ni Hailey. First time niya mag-fly. So I'm happy for her. How was our SPO1 Morales, Katie? Ang ina ko, ang ina mo, Hidalgo. Oh. Guys, nanood na ba kayo ng balota? Okay, so baka nagtataka kayo. Hindi ko po kayo minumura ha. Kanta kasi yun sa balota. So yun, if you haven't watched balota, you guys should watch it. Grabe. I don't even have the words to explain. Like, I was reading reviews about it, and then nung nanonood ako, I don't agree with some of the reviews na sabi nila yung hello? Yes. Did you burp? Yeah, I'm still here. I'm live on IG, okay. Are you gonna go here? Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Kakatawa yun. Pagsagot ko ng phone, burp ang narinig ko, hindi hello. Ate Vanessa, halika na, bumalik ka na dito. Vane Madriaga joined. Halika na, bumaba ka dito. Ang tagal naman nila. Sana pala. What's up? I hear people. Ang ina ko, ang ina mo, Hidalgo, go. Anong oras ka nag-workout? Minsan 11, minsan 1 p.m., minsan 3 p.m. Pero dati pag may taping ako, kunyari call time ko lunch, basta kung anong oras kaya, like 6 a.m., 9 a.m. Anong oras ang call time nyo? 5. My call time was 5. I was here quite early. I was here at like 4:30. But they're not looking for me yet. iboto si Edralyn or Hidalgo. Go, go, go. Yes. Guys, panoorin niyo yung balota. Grabe. Intense. Sobrang ganda ni Ate Marian. Kahit yun na ata yung pinakamadungis niyang role. Yun na ata yung hindi naman siguro pinakamahirap. Pero kasi grabe talaga, gulong-gulong siya sa gubat, putikan, ganyan. Pero mukha pa rin siyang amoy powder. Ang bango-bango niya pa rin tignan. Sabi ko, paano to? Ba't di siya nahahagard? Ewan ko sa'yo. I couldn't see you. I was genuinely quite scared.
Sorry.
Hello.
You're live?
Yes. That's why when you burped, I just laughed. And I couldn't hide it. Fresh naman ako. Fresh. Go.
Hidalgo! Go,
You will understand when you watch it. Magkano po manood? Hindi ko po alam eh. I think it depends sa mall.
Yeah,
Tsaka alam ko, teachers have a discount. Kapag teacher or student, may student ID ka na pwede mo i-present, alam ko may discount. Pero sa SM malls lang ata yon. Okay, let's change the song. Never mind. They might be judging us.
Okay.
Hi, Hidalgo, sabi ni Ate M.
Si ate.
Team Edralyn. Yes, sa student 150 lang. Yan.
Oh, dapat ginamit natin yung student
Hi,
discount.
SPO1 Morales. They're not looking for me eh. Did you
Wala.
see people sa Studio 10?
Yes, meron na. Pero they're not...
But you don't know them?
Hmm.
Okay. Kasi they're not looking for
They're not
me.
looking for you yet. Nagba-blocking lang ata sila.
Pero may tao na. May artist na. Should I go? But they're not looking for me.
If they're not looking for you, then why not? I mean, why?
Pakita kita ha. Hindi ka kita eh.
Okay.
Sing to me.
Can we sing? It's a live. It's an IG.
Ay, hindi ko alam. I thought ang bawal sa IG is like when you
So-
play the
Okay.
song.
But we can play like
I have no
a cover.
idea.
Okay.
Then let's see if my live gets banned, then that
Si
means
Doc
we're
Aiden,
not
no?
allowed.
Hi, Doc Aiden.
Hi, Doc. Hi, Doc. How are you? I hope you're staying safe and dry.
Doc, kamusta?
What song is that?
Please.
Please.
I know Beth and Elon La Madrid. I haven't heard that name in 10 years.
I haven't heard that name in a long time. I had to ask you, what was your name again in PPP?
Elon La Madrid.
PPP.
PPP.
Say
Beth
what?
Paraiso. Formerly Angela Medina.
Wow. You are dedicated.
I am.
I'm ordering from Mom's Lasagna. So what time do you get home?
Depends pa.
Well, it depends. You said you have class.
Wait, I'll check na if I have class bukas.
O sa bagay, baka suspended pala.
Suspended ba bukas, guys? Tagi?
Bakit sila tinatanong mo?
Hindi ko alam. Wait, check.
When you look me in the eyes, all my besties, Jeremy. Hey, Jeremy!
Oh, Jeremy! What's
Where are
up,
you,
man?
Jeremy?
I think he left na.
Oh, he was here.
Yeah, he was here. He performed a while ago.
Where is everybody? I have not seen a single
Everyone is in
person.
main building. That's why.
Ah, okay.
Wait,
Jeremy, I think I'm gonna host with you. I want Asa.
Wala. I think we're not
Yeah.
suspended.
Alright.
If I'm not, like either way, I'm gonna.
Either way, you're gonna go home.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, you guys want us to sing for you? Let's sing Birds of a Feather Make a Good Feather Duster. Yes! Wait, I need lyrics. Wait. Wait, calm down. Birds of a feather. It's so cold I can't type.
It's cold.
No, that does not mean you take off your jacket. I'm okay. Thank you though. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. I just don't want you to be a Bone Star.
I'm not a bone star. I'm wearing something.
But you have to sing with me.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, you started.
Oh, I start.
I want you.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
5.
How do we?
I want
Can you do an intro na lang?
Okay.
Kasi baka hindi tayo magsabay. Okay. I'm just gonna jump in. Anytime now. Hold on. Okay, I'm jumping in. Hold on. Okay. Let's go. I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you. I think I'm flat. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I never think I wasn't better alone. Can change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light hits my eyes. Till the day that I die. I want you to see how you look to me. Oh, you wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw you, but you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit. Say you don't see it, your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit, don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. And I'd not be long, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye. So stick together. I know I said I never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. Ano to? I know you in another life. Ano to?
Hindi ko alam.
Ano yun? Sorry.
Sorry na
Sira tuloy. Ano to? I knew you in another life. You had that same look in your
I knew you.
Hindi ganun yun.
Hindi ko rin alam eh.
Don't wanna say goodbye. Till the day that I die. Till the light hits my eyes. Don't
It's not.
Die with a smile. That's too hard.
And
That's
Okay.
too hard.
No.
But we can try. Baka pwedeng babaan. Ah. But it's a really hard song. Literally, it's really hard. Like I don't think we can sing that. If the world was end. In fairness, di pa kami binaban. Sandali lang, baka naman may work pa ba ako today? Pause saglit. Di pa rin ako hinahanap. Baka naman, wala pala akong work today.
Mag-jamming natin tayo. Alright.
Are we back? Sorry.
lag.
Sorry, we lagged.
Okay, we're back.
Okay.
Since
We're lagging. Hello? Lag pa din.
let's ask them. Let's ask the viewers if we're
Okay
lagging.
na daw.
Okay.
Ge. Last na to. Kasi nagtataka na ako bakit di ako ina-ask.
Nobody's promised tomorrow. So I'ma love you every night like it's the last night. Like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while. And die with a smile. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. It's so high.
Anong kiko dyan?
Same lang. Ooh.
Ayan.
5.
Sorry, nabibigla. Okay. Lost in the words that we scream. I don't even wanna do this anymore. 'Cause you already know what you mean to me. And our love's the only one worth fighting for.
Whatever you
Paano yun?
do,
Paano ako?
whatever you gonna listen.
Sige, parinig ng iyo. Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow. So I'ma love you every night like it's the last night. Like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over, our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while. Just for a while. And
Yeah.
wag na? Ang hirap. Patigil na.
No! Sayang, we're here already.
But I don't get it.
We're ready.
Why is so hard?
Okay. But you sound great. You sound great.
But I might get, okay, if we do the chorus. And I'll be like, what? Ooh.
I hope someone recorded that. That was the pre-chorus. That was really nice.
Really?
It was.
Really?
It was. They said it's nice. You don't
Of
believe
course
them.
they say it's nice. They love us.
You don't believe.
Bro!
Oh! Oh my God!
Pop Mart like my post. Oh my
Kala
God!
mo- yeah, it's just Pop Mart, guys. Don't worry. Wow, they liked your post. Please send. Did they send the message?
No, they didn't.
Oh, they didn't.
Nakakahiya.
Palagi daw. Mas madali
I
yun.
don't know that song. I know.
It's okay.
I know. I should be studying it. Sa huli palagi. Ito nang alam ko. Palagi. Oh my god, Pop Mart like my post. Slay. Guys, Pop Mart, you should have seen his stories. You should have seen my anik-aniks. It's so cold, it makes me wanna pee.
Oh my god, you just take my jacket.
No, I have a jacket. I literally have a jacket right here.
Yeah,
No,
this is
no.
Walmart.
It's the same. Please, do not do that.
Oh, sorry.
Please.
I like the cold, so you take the jacket.
Cold never bothered me anyway. Funny how some distance makes everything seem small. And the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules. I'm free. Let it go. Wait, I'm gonna pause you again because I can't believe no one's looking for me. Hold on. How to pause? Pause. Okay, I'm back.
I wanna be next to you.
Who?
Next
To.
to you.
Let's sing a chapel round.
Okay, which one?
Casual, knee deep in the passenger seat.
No.
Explicit content. If you're a kid, please turn away. Parental guidance is advised. But my voice is not conditioned to sing chapel round. But my friends call me a loser 'cause I'm still hanging around. I heard so many rumors that I'm just a girl that you bang on your couch. I thought you thought of me better, someone you couldn't lose. You say we're not together, so now when we kiss I have anger issues. You said, baby, no attachment, but we're knee deep in the passenger seat and you're eating me out. Is it casual now? 2 weeks and your mom invites me to your house in Long Beach. Is it casual now? I know what you tell your friends. It's casual if it's casual now. Baby, get me off again. It's casual if it's casual now. Dumb love, I love being stupid. Dream of us in a year. Maybe we'd have an apartment and you show me off to your friends at the pier. I know, baby, no attachment, but we're knee deep in the passenger seat and you're eating me out. Is it casual now? 2 weeks and your mom invites me to her house in Long Beach. Is it casual now? I know what you tell your friends. It's casual if it's casual now. Baby, get me off again. It's casual. Wait, it's hard being casual when my friends are talking. Again. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, go. It's hard being casual when my favorite bra lives in your dresser, and it's hard being casual when I'm on the phone talking down your sister, and I try to be the chill girl that holds your tongue and gives you space. I try to be the chill girl, but honestly I'm not. Honestly I'm not. Do and knee deep in the passenger seat and you're reading me out. Is it casual now? 2 weeks and your mom invites tell your friends. It's casual, if it's casual now. Baby, get me off again. It's casual, it's casual. Bathroom, when we went to dinner, your parents at the table, you wonder why I'm bitter. Back into your fence, take it off when you hit it. I hate to tell the truth, but I'm sorry, dude, you didn't. I hate that I let this drag on so long. Now I hate myself. I hate that I let this drag on so long. You can go to hell. Slay, I love Chaperone. Hold on. Pause one more time because my handler texted me. Okay, punta na daw ako ng Studio 10.
Thank you guys for coming to our mini concert.
Mini concert. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
This is not a donation drive, but should we?
Oh,
Should we make one?
we can. We could
Should
actually. We could.
What do you think? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I actually really have to pee. Thank you so much, guys, for this random thingamajig. I'm gonna go work now. I've got work. Are you gonna go home?
Yeah, me and Dad are gonna have dinner.
Oh,
You know.
good job. Good job, huh?
Good
Oh,
job.
good for you. Good for you. Yeah, good for you. Okay.
Would you like to come?
I literally have work.
Huwag ka na mag-work.
What? What? I literally have PPP tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
I cannot.
It's
not.
big night.
Yes.
Oh!
Okay. Bye, guys. I have to go. Tinatawag na ako. Bye, guys. Kakatawa yun.